Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and when this company contacted me to send me this camping fan, I was not expecting something this big, but I have to say that this is not a bad thing because this thing is extra mega powerful. It is a 40,000 milliamps camping fan that comes so much packed with so many good things. For the starter, it comes with a remote controller, so that's actually really good. And also, it's powered and rechargeable by USB-C with a power cable that comes right here with the package. But this thing actually, I'm gonna read it because it's so much. It has a 4 timer, 8 speeds. It has an LED light. It has an upside down hanger that I'm going to show you right away. That this is super cool. It is kind of heavy, I have to say, but again, that's not a bad thing because it translates into good quality. But you can actually hang this from your tent, for example, and just like face it down. So it's kind of like a wide spread right here. So if you're like 2, 3, 4 people in the tent, everyone's going to have this really nice airflow, and then you can just put it back and that's it. By the way, it also comes with rubber pads at the bottom, so you can actually put it in any flat surface and in one move, so that's kind of cool. And then it comes with an oscillating feature, 45 degrees and 90 degrees, a sleep mode, the battery indicator, a mobile charging with USB-C port and USB port right here on the back. So right here, you're gonna find a port for USB-A and USB-C. So that's kind of cool because you can actually use this as a fan. And in the meantime, you can actually use it to also charge your devices, which is a Type-C and also the regular USB-A, and also multiple colors. But this thing, first of all, let me actually turn off the lights so you can see something super cool. And remember, you can do everything with the remote controller, but I do want to show you that this frontal panel over here, it's also with the touch buttons in case that you're going out camping or something like that, and you lose this kind of like the remote controller, you can actually use this as well. So let's start again one more time with the lights over here. And then you have a timer for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. So that's super cool. You also have the oscillating, but let's actually go with this right now. You have 8 speeds. If you don't trust me and how powerful this thing is, trust the system. Take a look at this. Take a look at how powerful this is right here with the toilet paper. Let's actually ramp it up to the max level. This is crazy. It's crazy how powerful this thing is, as you can see over here. Let me actually point it up to my microphone so you can actually hear the wind blowing. You're gonna be blown away. Take a look at this. And actually you can twist this way. This is my microphone right here. Pretty strong, right? I have to say that this thing is crazy. And then you have the oscillating. So you can actually make it oscillate that way in 45 or 90 degrees, super easy, just like that. That's a 45. But also, this comes with the battery indicator. I'm going to show everything to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But it also comes with a night mode. So if you don't want to put it in sleep mode, actually night mode. So you turn off the lights so nobody's going to be bothered by the lights of the actual LED indicators. So then in here, you're gonna put the remote controller, super nice and easy. You have the ports over here, the 2 ports that I was telling you before. And then in here, you're gonna see the oscillating part, of course, and all the buttons over here for the light. And of course, the timer, the night mode, and also the oscillating that I can stop at any minute and just like put it in a straightforward position, or just like this, or just stop it at all and just point it at the right direction. And then to turn it off, that's pretty much it. This thing is so awesome. I love it. So powerful, 40,000 milliamps, and all this really nice feature with the USB-C port and charging. I'm going to give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.